So Saneth here and his wife, his sister. Oh no, I'm narrating. They own our Airbnb and they made us dinner. Look at all the yummy dinner. We're so excited. He's been making us a lovely breakfast every morning, so he wanted to make us dinner too. Isn't that sweet? Oh my gosh.
It's nice.
Oh wow.
So you need.
Oh my gosh, you're not eating with us? Oh my god. It's like stuffed with all kinds of amazingness in there. Wow. That's so good.
Yeah.
I don't have words. It's so good.
The aftermath. One thing of note, bananas.
Help with spice.
Help with spice. Yeah, so we all had banana
So
and
you don't need milk anymore for all you vegans out there.
it was great.
Oh my gosh. So nice. So sweet. Hello friends. We finished teaching. Yes, I'm eating peanut butter on a spoon. Don't judge me. So we're having a weird problem in Waligama.
Wonderful place, wonderful town.
Nice people.
But when tourist season's over, the whole town shuts down. So right now we're here in May. I guess it must have ended over last month. And literally, like, we ate at some restaurants, and they're no longer like there right now. Like, they just closed up for the season.
Within the week.
Yeah, and we ate some nice food. A little slow, but it was nice food. And so here we are, and there's nothing. Like the choices now are like one place. We didn't feel so safe eating. That's what I say, but it was okay. I didn't get sick this last time, but
We got sick the first time, then we ate again because we have no choices.
that's it in town. Like that place, like some street food that doesn't look very sanitary, or resorts in town, W15, which is expensive, and obviously the Marriott, which is
Also expensive.
yeah.
We've eaten there once.
It's not that actually not that bad. It's like $8 for a hamburger, so $8 US. So
Problem with
really
Marriott
it's not that bad considering.
is it's raining. There's no tuk-tuks out there.
They have a wonderful buffet with like fancy stuff we've not had in a long time.
Yeah, it's
$25 for the buffet.
We gotta want it hardcore to pay $50 for dinner.
Yeah.
We're confused by this because we were technically in Bali during off season. Nothing shut down, nothing was closed. There were just fewer people. Like, it was nice.
Yeah.
We had no idea it meant abandonment. So weird.
So it doesn't like it doesn't make any sense. Like I feel like we're kind of stuck here now. Like we have 2 more days. We got wonderful people. Nothing against anything. It's just now we're kind of like we're stuck here. So tomorrow we're going to go to Gaul, get a few things. The train will leave early and come back and do some things. And we're going to do another beach day. I'm not sure what's going to happen. It looks like it's raining every day this week.
I know the only beach day we've had here, we did not film because we're fired.
We thought we'd just relax ourselves, not film anything, and now we kind of go back and do that. So, yeah.
So if you eat $15 of food basically here at this hotel resort, you can use a pool for free, Amanda and Ponch are in there, and then this is your view. Pretty cool, huh? Sitting